Alright guys, daytime right here. So this is a continuation of the other video. So got the radiator in. I need to get a radiator cap. I need to get some trans fluid. And then as well, we're not going to be able to install the fan because the fan, I don't have the actual hardware, which I thought came with it. Sadly, it does not come with it. So I got order off Amazon. Just simple little things. And we're bolting directly to the radiator too, so very simple. Other than that, yeah, it's really just kind of waiting on parts for the fan and stuff, and then yeah. So let me go to the store in a little bit to go get the radiator cap and the trans fluid, and then we'll be able to at least get the thing started up and let it run and let it get up to temperature. Yeah, that's all you can really do. Can't let it like run full because she'll overheat probably. She will. All right guys. So I got this thing on here just for the mass sensor. Oh, I gotta put this back in there. You gotta check the oil and stuff. I know I need oil, so I'm gonna add some oil to it and then probably check it. But got the cap on there. Got everything on it. Like I said, can't run for too long because for long, and once it gets up to temperature, then we gotta shut it off. But yeah, so turn her on. Man, they sound so good still. Really impressive actually. For all the things been through, a flip, this, that, running at 7,000 RPMs for the past miles of its life, not too bad. And the oil is perfectly clear. Like, it's perfectly clear, which is pretty awesome. Go in here, hit the gas a little bit, get that flowing. Flip through here if I can. Hit the brake pedal. So I went through all the gears, let the fluid do its thing. It looks like maybe it went a little over, but we'll find out a little later. Kind of let it just get a heat cycle in. Yeah, we're going up in temp. Temp's not like going crazy or anything, so that means the water's flowing through nicely. Nothing's happening. Everything's happening the way it should be. The engine is very strong in this thing, I will say. So that's always a given. Alright, so listen, we can't really do too much from this point on because I don't have the things to put the fan on, so we can't put the fan on yet. And like I said, I put the trans fluid in at least. And listen, October 1st is a big step for Rango. We'll go more into it when we get to that point in time, and I probably won't really mention what it is until probably the day before the race, so stay tuned for the video for that. Or I'll mention it probably on race day, what's this truck, what its biggest advantage is going to be probably, and how we're going to be winning this race somehow this year. So if you guys enjoyed the video, it's a very short video probably, so listen, if you guys enjoyed the video, please like down below, comment down below, what do you think Rango will be running this year? Do you think Rango can win this year or not win this year, or do you think it's just gonna be a driver's race? Which there always is a driver's race, but mechanical advances always do help. But yeah, so listen, like I said, leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, do it, his follow dreams, don't let me get in your way. I'll see you guys next one.